food to eat. When me a boy I grew up and then sitting there. We never have money, but we have food.
Yeah.
We have food, we never have money. We have enough food, man. We welcome, man. We alright, man.
Yeah.
So for me, have food and me don't sick, man. Me alright, you know.
True.
So we're here in St. Elizabeth in a community called Little Park, and today we're going to be speaking with this farmer, Horseman, who is a beetroot, escallion and thyme farmer. And St. Elizabeth is known as the breadbasket of Jamaica. I like to call it the seasoned fruits and vegetable basket of Jamaica. And we're going to be doing a series of videos focusing on St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth has a very rich history, and so we're going to start with farming.
Yes, guys, we're here with Horseman.
Yeah, you know.
The one and only Horseman, the beetroot farmer. Back at the beetroot again.
Yeah, the beetroot price somebody right, you know.
How much a pound?
But yeah, gone, where there are some people that are all 50.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, freely for the people who come start 50 for the beetroot.
50
understand?
pound.
Yeah. I can't pay for sell for 50. I say, if we sell you out long for 50, then, you know, you sell for 80. You know, if you look at one of the woman and say she look good, then now by 90, the price to 80. And by next week, now you can hand down to 50.
Oh.
We should be there going back one and to 120 and 150, and you know.
Right.
Yeah. But I know this morning I had for 150 today.
Oh, 150.
Yes, man, it's good for 150. Next week I don't want 150 again because if I don't get a good price, I can't make my money either.
Okay.
You see me, so I don't want 150 next week.
But I will if I beetroot this your plant this time, man.
I plant 8.5 pack, you know, but it never grow good.
Okay.
I plant and I go supply with 4.5. So I eat for most of them if it's they're young. So some of them ripe and some of them young because we supply.
Oh.
We supply thing one day for, you know.
Right.
Yeah, man. I'm there, man. Me not too left here, you know, because it's all about the work.
Right.
Money might enough, but for me, I have food to eat, you know, you have to give God thanks.
Right.
You see me?
True, man, true. Them ask how you do, man. Them ask if your dad do the cucumber same way.
No, well, that's who might be next time I go with the cucumber. I go and scale you around there.
I could take a little walk.
Yeah, I go and scale you on time, man.
Yeah.
Scale you on time. You can't walk around there, so. Yeah, man, that's like
time farm.
It's a time, old time, you know, if you say I put some grass through and I spring it back.
Yeah.
Up to the people now cut you off and destroy it in one go.
Oh.
But I don't so me do it with the time.
Oh.
But when me cut you off, you know, again.
Yes.
If me get a big buyer, you know, look more when it spring up and me cut you off, you know.
Right.
You see, when it spring back, you know, me ground proper.
Yes.
But through them are the old type where the pan, you know.
Right.
Yeah, but if me get a good deal now, like for factory and then sitting there a little more. I have enough time, I can cut all 300. You see me?
Okay, and time always the palm price, good price.
Yeah, but me have hold for time over where the rain has been.
Oh, it's not scallion alone over there?
No, man, time in it.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's a plant the same time.
Oh, but them one they ready before this?
But through this they have fresh grass.
Okay.
And so I just one day apart them.
Oh, me wonder if because this in the cool shade more and over there to have
no,
more
them plant about 2 weeks apart now. When I need supply in them, I plant.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Coconut tree them not start beer yet?
No, sir. You see me? Nice pear tree and, you know.
Yeah, man.
So I plant 2 pear trees there, so too. I have to just plant fruit, you know. And so when the band can't eat people fruit, you know, so we have to plant. We have to plant make some picnic can't eat fruit.
Plant of fruit from the farm.
Because we really find fruit here, you know. We really find fruit here, man.
Yeah, man. Coconut and mango and all of them something they will grow up on.
Yes, man, we come find another week, man.
So what's up? Oh, so this is this scallion that you say you just plant out?
Yeah, man, I just plant this.
Yeah.
At 13 days now, me have a man them there work.
Oh.
They work on this at 13 days.
Okay.
And when I do 4 span, when I do 10 of them better,
yes.
it a cost me 80,000. I mean the 10 bet and plant 8. And it cost me 80,000. So I look and say, you know, say do look like a 8,000 a span.
Right.
So next day when the man them come now, I say, you know, say do a 1,000 a row, you know, to dig and plant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1,000 a row?
1,000 to dig one row and plant them.
From bottom all the way to the top?
From up there, yeah.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, I find say it better off for the man them know if you work for bigger row and a man a work, a man a dig 5 row, a man a dig 6 row, a man a dig 8 row. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so instead of pay 8,000 a span, although the longer side down there.
Right.
And it a come short. But then first one they know the one span cost me 8,000.
Yeah.
So by the next day I broke it down after I find out. I broke it down and know it's alright. 1,000 a row and one span having 4 row.
Yeah.
So that have 4,000. Although it coming down from the shorter end.
Yes.
I work there so we there and they push out the man them now for I go up on a row. All on the last row me have one friend. And the last day me have one friend we dig 9 row.
Okay.
And him plant 7. Yes, so I could have collect 7,000 before he left. I have 2 rows left to finish by a morning.
Yeah.
So,
I'm making 9,000 easy. So if you plant out the whole of this scallion now.
It cost 256,000 to plant a piece of the young piece, you know.
Okay. So you use like what? 4 man?
No man, me have only per man. Me have first me I start with 4 man.
Yeah.
Then now me have 5 man and more man I come. 5 don't turn back no man, yeah.
Yeah.
And more man I come. So on the last day and 9 man there.
Okay.
If on the Saturday and 9 man there.
Okay.
You see me?
And plant it out.
I work for the money before me have man a pull and a strip off and you know.
Right.
And I make up the plant them and you know. Plant them a plant and you know like a factory with it.
So this scallion that you plant here?
Oh man, this just 1 week up at top here so. Down there so the first part no Monday gone 1 week, Monday gone 2 weeks.
Okay.
We start.
So when this is gonna be ready to pull?
It might be one next 4 weeks or so it might be take about 6 weeks.
And you pull out?
Yeah, 6 weeks ready. Yes man.
Okay.
You see. When I buy 1,200 pounds and plant. A time I plant and I see time them in there too.
Oh, time and scallion.
Time and scallion. Yes, so I plant
go over that side.
I plant 1,200 out there.
Yeah.
1,200 scallion. I buy and plant. So that going to cost about 800,000.
Oh.
Yeah man. That going to cost about 800,000 to buy the grass and the, you know.
Yeah.
And the scallion and do the planting and the sitting them.
Because you do them serious type of farming, you have
yeah, man,
money.
Because you have to spend, you know.
To get back something, you have to spend.
Yeah. You know, see it, so. As I tell you, say, I sell couple for the Christmas.
Right.
But the ground broke down for me because you never spray. You spray 2 times for the worm and I don't catch them. So, I have to go back and spray.
Okay.
In the real pulling time.
Right.
And sitting. So the piece of first cost me, from this to here, so cost 80,000, you know.
Okay. That little piece from there.
From this to the plant, so. From here, so now I give them 1,000, you know.
Yeah.
Go back in. Yeah, man. So this a piece of first it cost me about 800,000 to buy the grass and plant up the whole heap of time on the scallion and everything.
Right.
Yeah, man, so. You have to spend the money like gambling still, you know.
Yes, that's true.
So you're not going to make no money if you're not, you know. So if you make your song, you put them to, you will start making, you know.
That's true.
You understand? You have to spend it back in the thing. Yeah, so, you know what that me there for do? I want some more land and everything there.
Land you want now for work?
Yes, man, I want some more land. I have to want 5 acre piece and then thing there.
I love the farming do a
Because I tell you, you know, you say if you want 10 man I work and you make all $500 for every man.
Yeah.
A 5,000 that's for you too, you know, you don't have to work.
Yeah.
So they work 5,000 and you work 5 too. You understand?
True.
If you have someone every day at work and you can make 5, you know. Hey, so the more the merrier, the more man you work, the more the merrier because you make half of everyone. For no man only that eat you out, you know.
True.
You know, see. Yes. Say I make half for every man, you don't have to make enough. you make 500 if you make 1,000 nice. You know, say something cost you 100,000 and you make 2 or 300,000. Well, you know, in pick a clock, you grow interest for your money.
Yeah, man, it's
You
true.
see? Yeah, it's all about that. But if you have one little farm now, more 800,000 for the farm store now. So if I sell her now, I'm going to pay the farm store man, you know. I'm going to party now. The business broke down.
That's true.
Farm store man don't want to see me again and farming no mash up. All the youth them have to go back home and they sitting there. You see me? So I just a man to understand anything there. Because man out, the good man out there will trust you. You see me? I can't trust all any amount of the farm store. You see me? Yeah, man.
So the key is to know how to
Yes,
make
man.
back the money so you can pay back your farm store when
Yes,
you
man.
credit and
because-
you and them have a relationship.
Yes. And so I'm going to lose over this and you win over this because we have no little things and I don't everything I work, but everything make up back on, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't like having someone come on my money go up on the vehicle and then go on with it. They don't go home here push and not change and anything. They don't can character, man.
Yeah,
You see me?
yeah. I was gonna say, Mrs. say you have a bus now.
Yes,
For the
man,
farm.
but I pay rob them, I rob me off a hit, man. My friend them, you know. But you know,
Yeah.
if somebody rob you still, you better off on them, you know.
True.
Yes, man. Let me see them pull me scale up so. This way them pull the scale on them Friday 22nd of December. You see me? Them pull me scale up there, you know. On Sunday the last of December again, they haul up some of the scallion again. If they make me pull all the phone bad and you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. You understand? So
Afraid your
you know,
last is a big problem.
yes, man. You know, see, so this a week here again. Monday the 29th again, you know. Then pull some of my scallion, you know. Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
all who pull my scallion could have beg me some. Because they don't want much. I don't market them I go. But if you want 5 pounds of scallion, you beg me for it. You
Right.
understand? Yes, man, because I'm a man, I want to give away to you know. Let me try to sell everything here so the
Of
farm I
course,
go
because you
drop down.
always donate to the
Yes,
program
man,
too.
yes, man, every day if you see I pull beetroot, we
Yeah.
select somewhere we reject, we could have go in at this thing. We reject them and have them for you and I friend. The first friend come get them, no matter who,
Yeah.
and when I ask them, just give them away again. You see me, so every day we give us some beetroot. You see me, so we select them, you know, we don't just left them in the ground, we broke them off and I pay to broke them off and to give them to my friend them.
That's how God bless you,
Yes,
man.
man, oh God, man.
You have
know.
to give something. You can't just,
Yes, man.
you know, make everything.
You see me, I spend
Wait.
250,000 a year so now, and if I get 3 bills a pound and, you know, look more, you know, so me eat a nice food.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, this I can pull one 4,000 pound here.
Yes.
Yes, man. So here me pull 4,000 pound for all 3 bills a pound and the ground there are mine. You see me? Collect my money and profit on the ground.
Yeah.
And the ground are mine. I pay profit later.
Yes, yes,
You see me?
yes.
So the thing set, man, you know.
But a farming a year thing, me see that. And it look
Yes,
like
man.
anything you put down in the ground, it just come
No,
up.
really say, you know, you have to just put the thing and spend your money upon it with a willing heart and, you know, good mind because you have to get some you to work and, you know,
Yeah.
it don't make sense you go around them and watch them now too again, you know. But you waste your time now for watch them.
Right.
And, you know, so I don't bother with that, you know. Yes, I just make you them come and know, sir. 700 an hour, you know. You see me? Yeah.
Right.
But only if you give me 120 minutes extra for no waste time and no time, you know.
Right.
Yeah,
Go
for them
to stop and.
if I then go shop and you know what we work, what we work, what we dance to, you know, when we work, you know.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, man. Because we work and talk and something sweet, you know, don't musically when you dance, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why you feel good and dance and, you know. Yes,
So-
man. So
they give back like 20 minutes for that little.
yeah, me end up to them pick up 20 minutes after the, you know,
for that little
over the
waste
time.
Right.
Yesterday, you know, extra time for a man gonna use the bathroom and a man gonna shop and
Yeah.
them a eat too, sit
Yeah.
down, you understand? And you know, and I don't inch in there having, you know. So if you want work out of them now, you have to calculate up and you know, and give them XYZ, you know, so like we're gonna pick some beetroot tomorrow now. So I try set it out here, 800 a bag.
Okay.
You understand? So a man, you know,
If a man pick 8 bags, that
64.
6,000.
Yeah, means mathematics, you know, so
Yeah.
listen,
Yeah.
I'm with that.
Yeah, I'm for the
You
man.
understand? Yeah.
Nobody can rob you.
Yeah, so all of them sitting here, this scallion now, we start this scallion for Monday the 15th.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, and we done Saturday the 27th.
So you date everything and you,
Yeah,
everything is mad on your
Come on,
farm.
you know.
Right.
You see
But
me?
it's a good thing when you can
Yes,
employ
man,
the
yeah.
youths them and give them
Yes,
something
man,
in
proud of
them
myself,
hand.
proud of myself, how we run this country, yeah. You
Mm-hmm.
know, me, you feel good to know how much you me have employed here. Me ask, man, we get motivated.
Yeah.
Eh,
You employ
both,
a lot of the youths in
yes,
the
man, both you
community.
and me, you know, man, if you see me in a little piece of slippers, that's what me see for Christmas, you know, me close money them, you know. You see me? Yeah. That's what me see, man. So if you see me in the street, I mean, they say, go be there, no game slippers to put on. You
Yeah.
understand, and you know?
Cause
So,
you're a simple man. You just
yes,
love
man, you
have
just see,
your
man.
money in your pocket
When you
and your
come here, man,
farm
I'm
to
party,
look
me no
on.
good, man. You know, want to watch me two of them. I want to me two of them clean on my finger, you know.
Yeah.
This man, you see me two of them where I work for, man, when I clean. Eh? One man, me out now. You see me, I look at my hand, them.
Yeah, yeah.
Come on.
So how was your daughter that was in high school? She graduated? But
Send a little piece of money for her. Thursday the 4th of January. She send me a piece of money, but she get 25,000. So I tell her, I say the money cut, you know, because I hear nothing. I never hear nothing from her till a week after the 10th, the 13th, the 12th and the 13th or something like that. So, the thank you won't take too long to come.
the time between when she get the money to when she
Yeah,
see
but
her
she don't, the
thank
money
you.
gone to her, but she don't dead for quality. They were
Oh.
her friend them there, so.
Oh.
It's like she prefer they around her friend them and no more around her family them, so.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
go with that.
Okay,
I
okay.
know.
Nice.
I mean, nice, yes, man, me just, you see me.
Take it easy and go
Food
and
that
do
we
your
eat, you know.
farming.
Food that we eat. When me a boy, I grew up and then sitting there. We never have money, but we have food.
Yeah.
We have food, we never have money. We have enough food, man. We welcome, man. We alright, man.
Yeah.
So for me, have food and me don't sick, man. Me alright, you know.
True.
And me call, if I don't have food, you know, I can't call any restaurant and say send some food coming in.
Because you and them live good,
I can't call any restaurant. I call one bike man, call one taxi man, call one any man to bring some food come.
Yes.
You see me? Yes, I don't have to go shopping nothing. If I want anything at the farm store, I send somebody. You see me, I call and you know.
And them have no problem
Yeah, man,
giving
no
you
problem,
anything.
man. Yeah, man, no, man. He's a horseman for man.
Yeah.
You see me, so. I saw me live. I'm proud of myself, you know, my clothes, you see.
Yeah, man. Proud of you to Horseman. Always
man.
do your farming. Always
Yes, man, you know.
make your money
And I tell you, you know.
the legal way.
Yes, man, and if we should have decided to work, you know. Yeah, for nobody not to take with nothing for nobody neither, man.
Yeah.
Find where you live, you know, you live landy there, you know. Anywhere you live landy there, and you can work, you can go plant, you see me?
Yeah.
And with there, I can't know so little man have a ground right now and say, Horseman, you see me? Which one man right come there, so Monday the 8th of January and borrow me 5,000. And I first thing come here. And the first thing come a Horseman ground, but I give him that free when he gone, he see me a road and I like when he not pay me, he have to do like he know, see me? Yeah. You see me? Or sometimes some people call my name too much, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you smile, you come and know where you know, say, yeah, everything see a dodge my dodge for you, because, you know, give them something big, keep them there, so. You
Yes.
understand? Yeah.
That's the original Horseman for
Yeah,
you.
man. So when a man take a 1,000 and he say, my dodge me, that him not want that to get. Understand? Yeah, so, yeah, man. That's all the thing said, man. But when I say, yeah, man, you see me?
Yeah.
So I call in some youth and work, because I tell you, for me, I will pull 25.
Full.
25 bag of beetroot.
Oh, okay.
So I want 5 man to pull 25 bag.
25 bag of beetroot
Yeah.
at 150 a pound.
Yeah.
Good
Yes,
change that, man.
If I give them 20 grand. So they might work off 20 grand.
Right.
Yeah, so the quicker they mash up that and collect money, you know.
Yes.
You see me? You have to give them in a task work, you know.
Yeah.
You know, then we work and sit down pan and we don't reach this, you know.
Right.
So by you give them, you know, and we work after that.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, I see.
Man, like out there, so man,
Encouragement sweeten labor.
if a man there, so one of the man there start work till later on now, you know. When I man there work till dark, man, when him left here dark or when I did. But at 6,000 him work after till and he know he not left it. You understand? And he not kill himself in there with now ride and
That's a 6 row.
yeah, 6 row.
Yeah.
To big and plant. And in there with now ride and go on, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we have to come out 2 days for that, and next day again in there, you know, well fit at the 6 row quick and fast.
Yes.
And you know,
Yes.
yeah, man.
Yes.
You see, so. And in everything me I do, me can match it up and give it out in a job and then sitting there.
Right.
Yeah, for, you know, take me work all one day already and look for me and know so me can calculate up and, you know, yeah. And
Do the
sort
maths.
it out. Yeah, do the maths and sort it out. You see me?
Righteous.
Yeah, man. You see.
Yes, sir.
You like what spray that 3,000 a jump spray.
Mm.
You see. The 3,000. And pick a man do 2.5 jump or 3 jump and collect 9,000, you know.
And you have a lot of time can cut now,
Yeah, man,
Horseman.
time there, man. A 500 a pound a sell time, you know.
Oh, 500 a pound.
Yeah.
What?
What time there, man? But 200 pound a time there, you know.
So you do the scallion and the thyme and the beetroot now.
Yeah, that me I do right, you know. But me soon
Yeah.
go cucumber. When I reap off them beetroot, then me go go cucumber, you know.
Okay.
Because me I put on some new grass.
Yes.
As well as me go put on new grass and go back beetroot. A beetroot is a deal, you know, still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beetroot can't go back down again, you know. And when lens season come, beetroot I go sell for all 300 a pound, same way, you know. You see, so lens season, I got beetroot, I got pass through lens season like a rocket, I know, like a storm. It's a
Some
lens
people are
season.
coming.
You see. Yeah, man. So, we could have spread off and gone back beetroot, you know.
Right.
Quick and fast. You see.
Alright, sir.
Yeah,
So
man.
that is the original Horseman. Nice talking to you. I'm sure everybody glad to see Horseman
Yeah,
again.
you know.
Beetroot
man.
farmer.
Yeah, man. I'm proud of myself out, yeah.
Yeah,
So, true that I
man.
don't too less, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, tomorrow I would have dash you come here, so you know. Pan them I will touch off already, you know. Yeah, dash you come here, so. Yeah, you know. But dash you come part way this already this evening, you know.
So that was Horseman, the beetroot farmer here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. If you would like to contact him to purchase his beetroots, I will post his number in the description of this video. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shan Zen Zen Jamaican vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.